This month, we are visiting two of Alaska's craziest spring events. The first is Arctic Man, a race where skiers go all the way down a mountain as fast as they can, speed up being pulled by a snow machine, and then race back down the other side. And the other is the Alyeska Slush Cup, an event where racers ski down the mountain and then go across an open pond. We've never been to either, so this will be a pretty interesting experience. We actually arrived late last night, got to see the beautiful sunset out here, and we're super excited because we actually rented out a van from Wildest Vans again. If you watch our videos, you know we rented with them a few weeks ago, and it's been the perfect little stay for this weekend. Nice and warm and toasty. We'll give you guys a van tour later, but it's still not quite race time yet today, so we're gonna do a bit of exploring, kind of just see what we find.
In order to park here, you have to reserve a spot ahead of time.
Grants?
No, for Raarup?
What was that?
Raarup? Or 100.
Here you are, man.
Oh, perfect.
You guys are all good to go. You know where we're headed?
No. And then you just follow those cool little signs.
Pro tip, if it's your first year coming like it is for us, it can be a little tricky to find the directions online. We were actually super confused getting here yesterday because we thought it was just like on the side of the road. You actually have to turn off on the side of the road and then drive down a couple miles on a dirt road until you find it. Apparently last year they actually couldn't have this event because they never got their permit situation figured out. But before that, they had up to 13,000 people out here in the middle of nowhere, Alaska, just for this event. Are you excited?
I am excited. It's pretty cool.
So we have some bad news. Good news is we got some caffeine.
They have coffee.
London fog.
And coffee.
Bad news is the race that we actually came here for, the incredible ski up a mountain, ski down a mountain, get pulled by a snowmobile, they don't do that one anymore. We talked to a couple guys and we found out that that actually really only happened pre-COVID, and they really haven't done it since. There are still other snowmobile races going on today, so we're gonna make the best of it, but I thought this would be the perfect time for a little van tour. Welcome to the Poseidon van. The main difference between this one and the one we rented last time is that the other one was a Mercedes Sprinter and this one is a Ford Transit. Anyways, we have a race to get to, so we're gonna keep this tour kind of short and sweet. The front of the van is just like any other cab. They do have a really nice spot for you to put your phone if you have GPS going. This time we have the passenger seat that swivels around. We have the toilet. This is a composting toilet. It does have a lid, but we've kind of thrown the lid back in the storage area, and there's also a table there that kind of swivels in and out. We've got all this storage under here. We've got cabinets up top. We've got a microwave here, a fridge, and just like the other one, they've stocked this one with literally everything you need. A stove here and an oven. Sink here, and then we've got this gigantic bed back here. They actually provide you with a step stool to use to get in there. It's even tricky for Tyler, so I don't feel too bad. The biggest draw to this van of the Wildest Vans fleet is the downstairs storage space. So if you open it up from the back, you can probably fit like 5 people in there. So if you have a lot of gear that you're wanting to use, you can, without any problems or any doubt, fit that all right down here. Now off to the snowmobile races.
The first race of the day is the snowcross race. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out. But they're the little people. They're like probably like 8 to 10 years old.
Yeah, those kids are so much better at snowmobiling than I'll ever be. So we made a quick little pit stop to go get some of the cheesiest and most delicious mac and cheese. But now we have the second race of the day, which is the drag races. Don't know what that is, but I'm sure we will find out.
It was really fun to see. I like the drag race. We saw one crash, which was kind of actually fun.
I should clarify that she was okay.
It was just cool to see, but she was okay, so it was good. We got some tacos.
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 What kind of tacos? Palapas?
Tacos de papas. She thought I said palapas. I said papas, and the guy said I said it right, so.
Palapas.
I did not say that.
Tacos de
I
palapas.
did not say that.
The mac and cheese is still my favorite. Shout out to the random girls for giving me an Arctic Man keychain. And shout out to Tyler for getting me an Arctic Man t-shirt.
Wow.
Now we fit in.
I will say, I have never had such an intense fight for a free t-shirt, except at Arctic Man, but I did find one.
To be completely honest, I was a little bummed out that we didn't get to see the race that we wanted, but I think the coolest part of the entire Arctic Man festival was seeing the entire snowmobile, snow machine community doing something that they love in a place as beautiful and incredible as this. So the Alyeska Slush Cup is an entire weekend event, but we skipped last night's costume contest. So our first official event today is the Idiot Swim.
Thank you.
Are you so happy you got one?
Welcome to the 2025 Slush Cup Bonanza!
So if you don't complete this, you don't get your PFC.
Gentlemen, are you ready?
Make some noise for the Idiot Swim 2025! Professional idiot swimmers. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Oh no! Oh, look at the speed! Look at the style!
That was interesting. Tyler,
Yeah?
would you do the Idiot Swim?
Give me the little one though.
No, it was kind of weird.
We've done the polar plunge before, so don't feel the need to do that. But next up is the actual Slush Cup event.
Welcome to the 2025 Alyeska Resort Spring Carnival, and this year, the 47th annual Alyeska Airlines Slush Cup!
They go flying.
Hey, watch your hands! He's coming in!
Somebody's hot.
Jesus Christ is coming down. He can walk on water.
Another special character.
And 4 for style, 5 for trick,
You
and 3 for costume. Trick, 8, costume, 7. Nicely done, Evil Knievel. Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? A 9 for Alaska Airlines Air, 10 for distance, and a style number of 8, trick 8, and a costume 4. Give it up for the real Slim Shady.
It was a fun time. It was definitely an entertaining event. There's a lot of funny costumes, a lot of great wipeouts, and it was fun to watch. I don't know if I'd go every year, but it was fun to see once.
Overall, really good time. Everyone was having so much fun. And we're here for the day 2 festivities. The dummy launch, the gladiator, and tug of war.
They're bringing the dummies and putting them down that jump. It'll be fun.
Downhill dummy race!
That one didn't make it to the fence.
Here it comes.
Oh my god, it looks like a legit robot.
Is he gonna get this?
That's pretty crazy.
As you can see, they are making beautiful
They're putting it down head first.
falling leaves.
They're gonna set the forest on fire.
Oh, they're coming back in. Look at those beautiful turns they're making. And they're hitting the jump. Yes, that is called control. This is the tube. And
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Give it up for Manila, big cheers!
Oh my. Woo!
Give it up for Ski School, chasing
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Something's on fire.
Petey, the poopy penguin!
Oh, Tyler.
Oh, Petey! Just get snowballs in course!
That would have been so dangerous if it would have went like in.
Bush! Get out of the way! Back up from the fence! Back up from the fence! Oh, man! As you came over here, and I heard a bell ring. The freak show bunch.
That was nuts.
I backed up. I got nervous.
2 p.m.
We got some tacos. All the other food trucks left today. Better than the Arctic Man tacos.
Oh, I almost dipped it in the wrong sauce.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Got a Coke and a reindeer dog.
As good as the guy said.
Yeah, it is actually a really good reindeer dog. Yeah.
The banana is so frozen. Good though.
Is it good?
Really good. The last and final event today is the tug of war. Fun fact, someone actually asked Tyler to do it earlier today, but he said no. Also, yes, we did watch the Gladiator, but there were only 2 rounds of adults, which made for a really quick event.
No, they asked Deborah and I to do it, not just me.
He was lying.
No,
He's such a party pooper.
they needed 2 more people, and they asked us.
Her extra tug of war.
The Squid Game thing.
Let's go! Oh! Oh, this baby! Oh, the right thing in! Get in hard! Come on! Come on,
Unfortunately, that was also the only adult tug of war teams. Really fun to watch, but that means our day's over. So, Tyler, which event did you like more?
The Slush Cup was my favorite because it was fun watching them all just fall and like jump.
But honestly, I had so much fun at both of them. I would recommend checking them out. And if you want to see more events like that here in Alaska, make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.